What is the YouTube TV channel lineup in the YouTube channel list? Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about what YouTube TV's channel lineup is for 2024. So basically, to start things off, we all know what YouTube TV is. It's one of the most used channel and TV service providers out there. Okay, the whole world watches it, and in 2024 it has a new channel list lineup. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, in these, you have live and non-live channels. So you have ABC, ABC News, ACCN, AMC, Adult Swim, Animal Planet, and then BBC America. It keeps going on and on and on and on. So you keep going down with it, and it just keeps going on. The list is huge. It has at least more than 100 channels, okay, and it's pretty incredible. So you can go ahead and check it out on tvguide.com. You can also see the premium add-ons that you can get, which is crazy. So if you want to go ahead and watch a lot of channels and you're thinking, I should watch it on Hulu or Disney Plus, trust me, you're missing out on YouTube TV because it has a crazy channel lineup this year. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.